In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the switching toggle missing in Outlook. If the switch or toggle you normally use in Outlook has disappeared, one of the most common causes is that Outlook or your Microsoft Office apps are out of date. The good news is that this is usually very easy to fix, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly what to do. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Give it a moment to fully load so you can clearly see the main Outlook window. Once Outlook is open, look to the top left area of the screen and click on File. This will open the Account and Settings area for Outlook, where you can access important options related to your Office installation. From the File menu, find and click Office Account. In some versions, this section may also appear as Account, but the location is generally the same. This page gives you information about your Office product, including update settings and version details. If the switching toggle is missing because your app hasn't received the latest features yet, this is where you can start fixing it. Next, look for Update options. Click on it to open the Update menu. You should see a few choices there, and the one you want is Update Now. Go ahead and click Update Now. This tells Office to check for the latest available updates and install them. At this point, all you need to do is wait for the update process to finish. Depending on your internet speed and how many updates are needed, this may take a few minutes. During this process, Office may download files, apply updates, and refresh some components in the background. It's a good idea not to close Outlook or interrupt the update unless you're prompted to do so. Once the update is complete, Outlook should be running the latest version available to you. In many cases, this restores missing interface features, including the switching toggle. If Outlook asks you to restart the app after the update, make sure you do that so the changes can fully apply. That's all you need to do. Open Outlook, go to File, select Office Account, choose Update Options, click Update Now, and wait for the update to finish. Keeping Office updated is one of the best ways to fix missing features and make sure everything works as expected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.